Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Meta Business Suite for product tagging. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Meta Business Suite for product tagging, first, log in to your Meta Business Suite account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Commerce section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Commerce Manager option to access your product catalog. If you haven't set up a product catalog yet, click on Get Started and follow the prompts to create one. After your catalog is set up, return to the Commerce Manager. Next, select the Product Data Sources tab. Here you will see your existing catalog listed. Click on the catalog you want to use for product tagging. Now, select Product Listings from the menu. In the Product Listings section, review your products to ensure they are correctly listed. Make sure each product has accurate details, such as title, description, and price. To add product tags to your posts, open the Posts section in the left-hand menu. Create a new post by clicking on Create Post. In the post creation window, add your desired text or image. Now, look for the Tag Products option within the post editor. Click on Tag Products to open your product catalog. Search for the specific products you want to tag. Select the products you want to include in your post. After you have tagged all the desired products, click Done. Review your post to ensure everything appears correctly. Finally, click the Publish button to share your post with the product tags live. Your audience will now be able to see and interact with your tagged products directly from your post. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.